Okay, so it looks like I'm here. I'm going to do a Control-Alt-Delete to get, this is an old Windows XP system. I'm going to key in nil for the username. Let's get up here a little closer so you can see it. Hit the tab key. I'm going to key in 35AUSTIN for the username. So that worked, and it's coming up. Give it a time for it to come up. While it's coming up, I'm going to go ahead and put my thumb drive in here. Now this old computer, this port is the good one, that's the bad one, so we'll slide that in right there, okay? Alright, now once that's in, I'm going to come up here to my start menu. I'm going to go to my computer, and you're going to see my thumb drive right here. I call my thumb drive Platman. So double click on it, and I'm going to try to find that file, which I think I had down here in Plat Manufacturing, and I had Superstar, and let's see, there it is, Christmas Star. Okay, so right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to I'm going to copy this by doing a right mouse click, hit copy. Now I have a folder that I've created for my stuff, and you're going to create one for your class folder. So I'm going to come down here to my documents, and up here it says 00 Plat stuff. I've got a bunch of stuff here on my folder that I've created. So I got laser dog tags, I got laser words. Why don't I just do this? I'll create me another folder, because I always do that, and I'll do a right mouse click and I'll say new folder. Okay, new folder. And I'm going to call this laser space ornaments. M-E-N-T-S. Alright? Yeah, that looks good. I hit OK. And I'll double click on that folder and open it up. So now it's open. I'm going to paste it in there. There it is. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come over here and right mouse click and say open with. Now Adobe Illustrator is not on here, so I'm going to say open with Corel Draw. Again, right mouse click, open up with Corel Draw. So once Corel Draw is opened up, you're not going to see the file. It's not going to be there. So here it is. Where is it? It's, you know, it's somewhere out here in space. So if I zoom out, there's my Christmas ornaments. So using my middle mouse wheel, I can zoom in and out. So what I'm going to do is draw me a polygon around that, and I'm going to take that and hit the P key right here. Not for print, but what it does is, if I hit the P key, it centers it up in the box. Ah, that's not good. Let's do a Control Z. Let's do a Control G to group it. Now hit the P key. There we go. It's got it all centered up in there the way we want. That looks pretty good. Double check a few things. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. Now I'm going to come over here to the file pull down, and I'm going to say export, and I'm going to give it a DXF name, okay? So what I'm going to do is go find that file, Plat Manufacturing. I had it over here in my ornaments, and I'm going to save as, let's see, I'll save it as Christmas Ornaments, CHRISTMAS space, let's see here, ORNAMENTS, Christmas Ornaments. And it's going to be saved as a DXF file. Okay, so saving it as a DXF file. I just take the defaults in all of this, because it'll open right up in the software that we use for laser grading. Get that? Alright. Now, I'm going to come down here to my Start menu. There's a program up here called LaserCut 5.3. I'll select that. And what it said was communicating with the controller. So this is the software that controls the laser. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come over here, and there's this import command. I'll do that. I'll go to Plat Stuff, go down to my Christmas ornaments, or laser ornaments, Got to keep looking. There it is right there. Double click. I'm going to get that DXF file. That one right there. Hit open. Okay, now if you look up on the screen, this will show you the full extent of the laser area. Okay, so let's look at the laser image. Okay, so what it's showing you is that the artwork is right here in the center. It's not up here on this piece here. So we got to move that up there. Okay, no big deal. So I've already got it selected. I'm going to move this up to about right here. And then we're going to test it out and see if it's in the right location. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and I'm going to stop for a moment and I'll get right back to you.